Hi, my name's Nate, and today I'm going to talk about linear probabilistic modeling and how do we use it in an engineering problem. Well, first off, let's start with a good base of understanding and look at the definition. Linear probabilistic modeling is a way of displaying the relationship between a dependent and one or more independent variables. We use linear probabilistic modeling, or LPM, to make a linear function that we can use to help us predict what is going to happen in the process while accounting for errors. Now, how does this work? Well, let's talk about it. When we are using LPM, we use a formula called the linear regression formula, which is y equals beta naught plus beta 1. Using this equation, we can plot the line of regression, which gives us the values we should get if we had no error. We can then reference our data to the regression line to see our levels of error and predict future outcomes. Now, let's talk about how we use LPM in an engineering problem. Let's say you work at a manufacturing plant for coronavirus testing kits. You'd probably want to find out the best conditions to manufacture such coronavirus testing kits and the different effects that might cause defects in your products. In this scenario, let's look at how temperature could affect our production. When we plot our points and find our regression line in our what-if situation, you can see that in the 20 to 30 degrees Celsius range, we get the most successes and the least amount of defects. Although, if you look at the ends of the graph, you can see we get probabilities under 0 and over 100, which is obviously impossible in a probability evaluation problem. This is a good display of LPM's strengths and weaknesses. You can see how it helps us find a good production procedures, but it struggles to do so at extreme values. So, let's recap. What is LPM? LPM is a method for estimating the probability of binary outcomes with the use of linear regression. And we use it to find the optimum temperature range at which we can manufacture coronavirus test kits. Thanks, and I hope this helped.